Hirose's IX industrial connector features a rugged and reliable design, and, as its name implies, is designed for use in industrial environments. With a reduced size of 75% when compared to conventional RJ45 modular solutions, this solution allows for reduced installation space. The snap-in I/O connector locks by simply inserting the plug into the receptacle, and due to its positive metal lock and preload spring mechanism, an audible click ensures a complete secure mating. Additionally, the preloaded springs are designed to prevent unintended cable removal and to extend the operating life to more than 5,000 mating and unmating cycles. This connector handles high-speed Ethernet Cat5e and Cat6a connections, has a high EMC resistance, and is ROHS compliant.